Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Fine. So, today we are here with lesson number 19 and its title is Book Stall. Okay. So, all of first read the instruction. Given below is a list of some famous books by Indian authors followed by photos of the authors and the language in which they wrote. So here below books names are given કે જે written by Indian authors કે જે Indian authors દ્વારા લખાયેલી છે and here the photos of authors are given. Authorsના photos આપેલા છે and which language from which language they wrote book is also given કે અહીંયા કઈ લેંગ્વેજમાં એમને બુક્સ લખી છે એ ઓકે and below the page clues are given and in the clues authors names are given અને cluesમાં શું આપેલું છે authorના name આપેલા છે so here name of books given એ કયા authore લખેલી છે તો એ authorના pic આપેલા છે plus એ authorsના name આપેલા છે ઓકે so match the books authors and photos as shown so students we have to match three things in this lesson okay listen properly and open your book with author name કે જે બુકનું નેમ છે એને ઓથરના નેમ જોડે મેચ કરવાનું છે and then with the image of authors ઓકે with the image of author આ બુકના નેમને ઓથરના નેમ જોડે મેચ કરવાનું છે and ઓથરના ફોટો જોડે ઇમેજ જોડે મેચ કરવાનું છે okay so let us start and before we start this lesson let's see do you know sometimes a writer uses another name instead of his or her real name કે ક્યારેક રાઇટર હોય છે જે ઓથર હોય છે એમનું બીજું નેમ યુઝ કરતા હોય છે એમનું રિયલ નેમ યુઝ નથી કરતા હોતા ધીસ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ અ પેન નેમ જેને આપણે શું કહીએ છીએ પેન નેમ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ Premchand's real name was Dhanpat Rai Srivastav. So, this author's name is Premchand. So, his real name is Dhanpat Rai Srivastav. Okay. But his pen name is Premchand. અને એને જ આપણે બધા પ્રેમચંદથી જ ઓળખીએ છીએ એ જ નામથી એ ફેમસ છે બટ હિઝ રિયલ નેમ ઇઝ ધનપત રાય શ્રીવાસ્તવ ઓકે સો લેટ અસ સ્ટાર્ટ all of you must open your book number 1 book name is Nirmala okay so Nirmala is a book and it is written by whom Premchand H Premchand okay so number 1 is Nirmala book number 1 and H is for Premchand and this book is written by Premchand in which language? In Hindi language. Okay. See students. Dhanpat Rai better known by his pen name Premchand. જે આ ધનપત રાય છે એમનું રિયલ નેમ ધનપત રાય છે but his pen name is Premchand was an Indian writer famous for his modern Hindustani literature. Okay. And this is his book Nirmala, famous book. Nirmala's reformist agenda is a transparent in the theme which deals with the question of dowry and consequently mismatched marriage and related issues okay કે જે દહેજ પ્રથા છે કે એના ઉપર જ છે એમ નેક્સ્ટ નંબર 2 is book name is Burhi Ayar Sadhu okay Burhi Ayar Sadhu so this book is written by the author is written by whom number 2 so see this is number 2 book name number 2 and author name is E means Lakshminath Bezbarua okay Lakshminath Bezbarua Okay, and this book is written by in which language? Written by which? Assamese language. Which language? Assamese language. Okay. See, Lakshminath Besbaroa was an Assamese poet, novelist and playwright of modern Assamese literature, and his book Burhi Ayar Sadhu. Number 3, book name is Anand Math. Okay, so here number 3 answer is already given. For example, number 3 and author name is A from the clues. C. A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay, and this book is written by Bengali language. Okay, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, also known as Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, was one of the greatest novelists and poet of India. He is famous as a author of Vande Mataram, the national song of India. જે આપણું ઇન્ડિયાનું નેશનલ સોંગ છે વંદે માતરમ, એના ઓથર. હુ ઇઝ ધ ઓથર? બંકિમ ચંદ્ર ચટ્ટોપાધ્યાય, અધરવાઇઝ ચેટર્જી. સી. આનંદ મત, લવ ટાવર્સ મધર અર્થ ઓર મધરલેન્ડ. ઓકે, ઇઝ ધ પ્રાઇમરી થીમ એન્ડ ધ ફ્રીડમ struggle can only be considered as a secondary one. Next one, number 4. Number 4 is Tankha. So, this book is written by whom? Number 4. See, from the answer key here, 4 and C. Book name 4 is Tankha and C is author's name from the clues. C. Gauri Shankar Govardhan Ram Joshi. Okay, so Gauri Shankar Govardhan Ram Joshi, better known by his pen name Dhumketu. Yes, again pen name is Dhumketu, was an Indian Gujarati language writer who is considered one of the pioneer of the Gujarati short story. કે જેમણે ગુજરાતી સ્ટોરીની શરૂઆત એમનાથી જ થઈ હતી. Gauri-Shankar Govardhan Ram Joshi, and his pen name is Dhumketu. Okay, and this is his book, famous book Tankha, and which is written by in Gujarati language. Okay. Number 5, The Guide. Book name is The Guide, and this book is written by whom? Written by number 5. This number 5, The Guide, and written by I means R.K. Narayan. Okay, and in which language he wrote this book? R.K. Narayan? In English language. Okay, so student, yes, Rasipuram Krishnan Swami Iyer, Narayan Swami, commonly known as R.K. Narayan, was an Indian writer known for his work set in the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. એ માલગુડીના હતા. Okay, and this is his book The Guide. A central theme of the novel is the transformation of Raju from his role as a tour guide to that of a spiritual guide. The title of the novel The Guide has a double meaning, and Raju is in a scene a double character. As a tour guide and lover, he is impulsive, unprincipled and self-indulgent. Okay. Number 6. Book name is Parthiban Kanavu. Book name is Parthiban Kanavu, and author of this book is number 6. See here number 6, and author is D from the clues. D. Kalki Krishnamurti. Okay, Kalki Krishnamurti, and he wrote this book in Tamil language. Let's see. Ramaswamy Krishnamurti, better known by his pen name Kalki. See, this author's real name is Ramaswamy, but his pen name is Kalki, and was an Indian writer, journalist and poet. He was named after Kalki, the 10th and last avatar of the Hindu god Vishnu. See, and this is his book Parthiban Kanavu. In this novel, he wrote about dream of Parthiba Maharaj to improve the Chola kingdom. Number 7. Book name is Randamuzum. And this book is written by which author? Number 7. From the clues C, number 7. Okay. And 7. F means M.T. Vasudevan Nair. And he wrote this book in Malayalam language. So, see. This book, Randamuzum. The novel is a retelling of the Indian epic Mahabharata from the perspective of Bhim, the second Pandav. Number 8. Book name is Chaman Atha Gunatha. Okay. And this book is written by whom? Number 8. Here 8. B means Fakir Mohan Senapati. Okay. And he wrote this book in Odia language. C. Utkal Byasa Kabir Fakir Mohan Senapati. Full name is Utkal Byasa Kabi Senapati. Okay. Fakir Mohan Senapati. Often referred to as Utkal Byasa Kabi, was an Indian writer, poet, philosopher and social reformer. And this book's name meaning is in English language 6 acres and 32 decimals. Number 9. Vishakha. Book name is Vishakha, and the writer of this book, number 9, J means Vishnu Vaman Shrivadkar, and this book is written in Marathi language. Vishnu Vaman Shrivadkar, popularly known by his pen name Kusum Garg. See, pen name Kusum Garg. He was an eminent Marathi poet. See, this is the book Vishakha. Okay. Last but not the least, Rajashekara Chitra Manu. Rajashekara Charitra Manu. Okay. And this book is written by number 10, whom? G means Kandakuri Varishalingam Pantulu. Kandakuri Virishalingam Pantulu. Okay. Author name is, and he wrote this book in Telugu language. See, Rao Bahadur Kandakuri Virishalingam Pantulu was a social reformer and writer from the Madras Presidency, British India. This is the book Rajashekara Charitra Manu. Okay students, so here we end our lesson, and I hope you all can understand this lesson properly, and I am sending you PDF of this lesson that you have to complete in your CW and also fill in the textbook. Till then, bye bye.